Hi guys, welcome to day 2 of this vlogmas. So from the title of the video, I'm sure you can tell, but before we go on to what today's video is centered on, guys, please endeavor to engage with all of my content, especially for this month of December. I mean, it's my first time doing this whole vlogmas series. So yeah, please engage, like, share, comment, do all the lovely stuff, and best of all, don't forget to subscribe if you already haven't subscribed to my video. So back to the title of the video, I'm sure you already know, but I've been meaning to do this for the longest time, but for some reason I just haven't had the time to do it. So, and I thought to myself, okay, why not share the entire process of how to do this, in case you're wondering like how to go about cleaning your real gold jewelry, restoring the shine. Yeah, this video is for you. It's just like a very simple hack of how to clean your gold jewelry at home without spending money paying for these things outside, especially if you live in the diaspora. These things can actually be much more expensive, you know. So yeah, this is also like one great take if you are considering cleaning all of your jewelry, including your wedding bands and whatnot, that is actually real gold. I don't know about any other jewelry that is not gold, but I know like for wedding bands that are also like gold mixed and whatnot, I feel like it's also the same process. So let's not waste any further time. Let's jump right into it. Come with me. So guys, these are my regular day-to-day gold jewelries. Like I have been wearing them for the last 2 years, if not more, and I haven't washed or cleaned them before. So if you look closely, you see that this has actually like gathered so much dust over time, and it is quite dull. So I'm really gonna clean it and polish it today, and we will see how that goes. So we're gonna restore this real quick, and let me show you how. So over here I already have a bowl. It has cold water, and this is baking soda. Yeah, baking soda. This is the powder, and I just have a simple dishwashing soap from Kirkland. So guys, feel free to use any mild dishwashing soap of your choice. I am not going to use powdered detergents because I feel like that's really heavy because of the chemical compositions and whatnot, so I'm not going to use that. I already have hot water already, so I'm just going to mix this and show you how this works. So guys, I'm adding the liquid soap. Next up is now to add the baking soda. And I'm just going to top this up with the hot water. So I'm stirring really well. Yep, we will let it sit for a couple of minutes, 10 minutes. And I'll get back to you in 10 minutes, guys. So guys, I believe it's 10 minutes, if not more. I can already see some changes. So it's time for us to wash off and just like give each piece a really good scrub. So you can use like an old toothbrush. I don't have an old toothbrush, so I do have like this sponge that I use for my dishes, but I brought out a fresh one. It's not too hard, So I'm just gonna give it a good scrub. Excuse how my hands are ashy because I dipped my hands in the water a couple of times. So because of the baking soda and liquid soap mixture, it's looking all funny. So I'm just going to repeat this process for each and every piece. Wow, guys, look. I haven't even rinsed off. And it's already shiny. Hey guys, so I'm done with the process of scrubbing off. Feel free to put it in this paper towel. I'm going to rinse off now and just change this and replace it with a clean rag and let it dry. So if you notice, I already changed the water and this is cold water. So I also forgot to add, if for any reason you actually react to things like baking soda and liquid detergent, feel free to wear gloves when doing this. Another thing I forgot to mention is make sure you are not close to the sink, like if you're washing this, especially for these tiny ones, because sometimes it just really slips off your hands, and if care is not taken, you could actually lose your jewelry in the drainage. We don't want that, right? So try to stay off the sink completely, or if you have like the catcher, you could just use that when washing. So if for any reason like tiny pieces like falls off either the hook or like small earrings like so, you don't have to worry about losing your jewelry. So I'm gonna rinse off and then just like place everything into the water and wash off, like just rinse off with my hands, and then I will come back here to dry. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I have drained the water. Look guys, can you see this already? See how the natural shine has been restored. Look, like they are all glowing. Particularly I wanted to show you, like these are the pieces I literally wear on a regular basis. See, all clean inside, all glowing. You guys remember this pendant that I showed to you? Look, it feels like brand new again. Brand new, all brand new. This is the back and this is the front. And this again all clean. Look at that. Another one of my regular pieces. So thank you for watching, and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye.